Hello youngsters, hope this video finds you safe and sound. If you think the content I upload is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great time. Hello ma'am, how are you doing?
I'm very well. Yeah. So, how about you?
I am also good ma'am.
Yeah.
And
So, where are you from?
I am from Andhra Pradesh ma'am. I
Okay.
am
Okay.
Pradeep from Andhra Pradesh. Yes ma'am.
I'm from Telangana. Yeah, we are
Wow,
neighbors.
that's great ma'am. You are the second person I mean I have met in with, who are from Telugu state.
Are you trying any for interviews?
No, ma'am. Right now, I'm not trying to attend any interviews, but I just want to be fluent in this language.
Yes. Yes.
It is one of my favorite subject. So
Yes. But yes, definitely you will. This all this practice will definitely helps you in interviews.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And
So, tell me
you
about
please tell me.
your state, your village.
Yes, ma'am. My village name is Garsingi, and
What is
it is a sleepy village in Visakhapatnam district. Uh,
Vishakhapatnam? Okay, Lampasingi.
no, no, ma'am. It's Garsingi.
Gerasingi.
I Yes, ma'am. Lambasing is about. I think it is from Araku Valley. I think Araku side.
Yes. Yes.
But our village is so far from that, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
in Vizag district, and it's a remote village, and you can see the
Yes, yes.
mountains.
Oh, wow. What a greenery.
Yes,
Nice,
ma'am.
amazing, amazing, amazing.
Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
really. You are lucky to live in such a beautiful place.
Yes, ma'am. And also, so there are some disadvantages. So like to get the internet, I have to.
Internet.
Yes,
Yes.
my internet issues here, but it's okay. I'm trying to manage it.
Yes, but in
Yes,
further coming days, I think you will be solved that problem because day by day technology is increasing and
improve.
even we are this internet is reaching to villages more widely.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
You're right. Hope it will come to my
Mm.
village ASAP.
And can you tell me what kind of plants do you have in your village? Varieties of
Plant,
plants.
plant.
Yes.
Okay. The crops we are yielding
Yes.
every
Crops.
year.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, in my village, I mean, sugarcane is the
Okay.
most
Sugarcane is
cultivating
famous.
crop here. Yes,
Mhm.
and Anakapalli. Have you heard about Anakapalli, man?
Yes, Anakapalli, yes, I heard.
Yes, it is. Yeah, it has the biggest sugarcane factory, I think.
Oh,
Yes,
nice.
yes, ma'am. So in my village, farmers cultivate the sugarcane most, and then rice.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Nice.
And and also they some of them will cultivate the vegetables and grains too, grains like red
Wow.
gram, green gram, like that.
Yes, they are good for health.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, and do you have in a rare cases of elephants like that? See, I heard that if there is more sugarcane plants, then in the surroundings there is a chances of elephants because elephants likes most of the sugarcanes like that. Is it
I
true?
got you, but no, here we don't have elephants here, but forest. I mean, I don't know what to. I mean, అడవి పందులు, అడవి
Ah,
పందులు.
yes, yes. Adupandulu. In English, I think we call it as village pigs. Don't know. Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
yes,
research
ma'am.
about the word.
They
Yeah.
will attack the sugarcane plants mostly.
Oh.
Yes,
But
but
they
here
are they are even dangerous for human also, right?
Yes, ma'am. They are.
They kill humans.
Sometimes they will kill humans too, but
Yes.
there is for the by the God's grace, there is no such danger caused to the human here, any human being.
Yes.
Yes. Just they have damaged the plant crops only. So
Mm. Why? Because like I thought just pigs means, yes, I thought just it's just a normal pig. But like one of my friends' brothers, he died because of this attack. This
oh my God,
pig, yeah.
Allah. Yeah.
While driving, it attacked. They also belongs to village.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So sad to hear that, ma'am.
Yes, yes. It was about 1 year ago. I think. 2 years.
Okay. Let me know about your hobbies, ma'am. What are your hobbies?
Yes, my hobbies are mainly a gardening. Like we have small garden, so every day I like small plants like mint, coriander. Like this, I will uh, seeds. I will grow those plants so that it will be healthy, right? So I
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that kind of things. Yeah, and also
Wow,
book
that's great.
reading. Sometimes I read books. Yeah,
What
these
type
are
of books do you read, ma'am?
personality development. Like I have read previously Power of Subconscious Mind, but at
By
these
Joseph
days,
Murphy. Yes,
yeah, by Joseph Murthy. So by these days,
okay.
I'm not getting time, so I'm not reading. But previously, I used to read that book. Yeah.
Okay.
So tell me about your hobbies.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to read books and watch movies, and also I watch the content related to English on YouTube,
Yes,
like
I
TED
also do
Talks.
watch. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
TikTok.
Yes,
Nice.
ma'am. I also read books, and I recently read the book Sudha Murthy's book, How I Taught My
Nice.
Grandmother to Read.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am. And also I read personality development books and novels, ma'am. That, yes, ma'am. That's all about me.
That, that's good. Good. Reading books also sometimes improves our fluency because at that time our mind will train how to how to create sentences like the sentence formation. It will build sentence formation.
Yes, ma'am.
That's,
And
mm,
also reading is one of the, one of the techniques in improving our fluency, like LSRW in LSRW technique. Reading is also one of them. So we should
yes,
have to
yes,
read.
yes. Mm. So, did you went any coaching like that for fluency?
No, ma'am, I haven't.
Oh,
I just
okay.
watched it.
Just
I just learned online, and yes, but yes, the speaking part is my main issue, ma'am. I think I'm good at reading and writing, and also I listen. I mean, I I like to take more input about English language from online. So
yes, yes.
so I
Yes,
am
that you
working
are
on my
doing.
speaking practice.
Yes, you are doing great job. Yes, even see many people. Even I also previously buyed Ingvarta, like as I
Okay.
mentioned in other
Yes,
videos.
ma'am. I
But
have seen your videos too.
yes,
Ingvarta
yes,
audio calls you have uploaded on your YouTube.
yes, yes. Thank you for watching. Actually, we spent only for 1 month, right? So and
Yes,
after completing that, we will lose the fluency. So
yes, ma'am.
in this by these videos, we have to continue. We should not stop. If we stop, then our fluency will goes. That's
Yes,
what
ma'am.
that's what I observed.
You're absolutely true, ma'am.
Yeah.
That's what I have seen. I have felt these days actually. Actually I have taken a subscription from Clappingo. Have you heard about Clappingo
Yes,
app, ma'am?
clapping you. Yes, yes. I tried. I tried one trail session.
Yes, ma'am. I have taken a month subscription, but after that I lost my fluency, and then I started to approach the people like you to have
Yes.
a conversation with me because yeah, in these days I lost my fluency. Like I didn't get words while speaking, but nowadays I'm improving. I think I feel that
Yes, yes.
there
If
is
we
some
speak
a bit
regularly,
bit of improvement in that.
yes, if we speak regularly, then it will automatically it's on set.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am, you're right.
yeah.
So, is
So
there any effect of Yas cyclone in your area, ma'am? I think
no, no. Uh,
yesterday there is a cyclone on
okay,
West
in your
Bengal and
area.
Odisha. Yes,
Okay, yes, I also heard news about that, but only just here the weather is only just cloudy, but
yes, ma'am.
not
Yes,
rains.
yes, ma'am. Yesterday evening there is a bit of effect here, a bit
Mhm.
affected here, like
Okay.
huge winds. I mean, strong winds have blown. Yes, ma'am.
That's good.
A little effect only, not that.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes,
But changing weather also changes as our mood, right?
yes,
Like
ma'am.
something, yeah,
Yes.
automatically we will become enthusiastic like that.
Yes, ma'am. We'll find we will feel peaceful in our mind.
Yes,
And right now I'm feeling it because a cold breeze is touching me.
yes.
This
That's
this
fantastic.
lovely tree. Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Nature is
So
a precious gift. It was given by God,
yes, ma'am. It
and
is a
whatever mood
wonderful
we
gift
have,
to human beings.
yes, whatever mood we have, it will change us.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And where are you from, ma'am? I would like to know about more about yourself. What did you
Yes.
do? I mean,
Yeah. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm from
yes,
Hyderabad. It is nearly to Nagar, I can say. I think you know Nagar. Do you know?
yes, ma'am. I
Yeah.
heard about it. Yes, ma'am.
It's near to it. And yes, I do job. And also sometimes like this, I post videos on YouTube. Yes,
Okay.
because I'm also very interested in English. So it's all about growing together. So let's motivate each other and learn English. So that's my tagline.
That's a good motto,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Um,
And
yes. So do
yes,
you have YouTube channel, Pradeep?
yes, ma'am, I do. It's called Inkster Pradeep. I have recently started it on the end of the January month. Yes,
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
it's going good, ma'am. Actually,
Okay, okay, means did you commented with same ID? Okay, I will see. I want to see your channel.
no, I
My
haven't.
ID is
But
different.
yeah, yes, ma'am. With another email, I have commented with another email. But my
Okay.
channel name is Inkster ENGSTER Pradeep
Yeah.
PRADEEP.
Okay. Then you can what you do. You comment with that. See, whenever you want to comment, you comment with that channel so that other people will also will know about your channel. I can
Okay,
also
ma'am.
see like that. It will be helpful for your channel as well.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do it from now.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Mhm.
So, do you watch movies, ma'am? Any or
Mm,
what? What are your strategies to improve your English? What do you do daily in order to improve your fluency?
actually, yes. I wish to watch movies, but I don't like
There is no time, I
no
think.
time. But see, when coming to Telugu channel, we can observe easily and we can laugh. But sometimes those slang is different because we need to concentrate a lot. See to
Yes,
see
ma'am.
English movies. So
Subtitles
suppose
and to understand it better. Yes,
when coming to Telugu, we will enjoy by doing other works as well. So
yes, ma'am. I
sometimes
do
yes,
agree
I
with.
do watch movies, but Telugu, so that I can do other simultaneously. I will do other work like household works or like that.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Only things I
Yes,
watch regarding English means Instagram, like that. I watch posts so that short videos related to English, personality development, like these things I will watch. And
okay.
I will recommend you one good Instagram page. I am sure you will also like that. I am following it regularly. We the Young India. It's that's a name of that. So They will talk everything about what are the problems youth are facing. So that's a nice thing. They will open up everything like that, whether it may be mental health issues, depression, or because of COVID or education stress. See, most of
Okay.
the societies, in societies, most of the people decide us on the basis of marks, right? So we are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
supposed
Yes,
to,
ma'am. Most of the people are like that.
mm, yes, we are not supposed to decide any person on the basis of marks, right? So they have
Marks.
other talents as well. So we need to encourage that. So in this
Yes.
basis, the channel will run. So it's
Wow.
good to both simultaneously. It will improve our English and also it will enhance our knowledge.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for suggesting that
Yes,
fantastic page. And could you please repeat the name, ma'am?
we the young India. You'll
We
find
the Young India. Okay, ma'am. I
W
got it.
we the young
CH.
in.
Okay,
Yes.
I
Yeah.
got you. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
So,
Welcome.
mhm.
Uh,
Mm,
okay. Will we wrap up or?
we'll wrap up, ma'am. We will